Question 9. Seth has a badge with his name written on it. Draw the line of symmetry on this letter T. So we can see it's got one mirror line, a vertical line of symmetry. So we need to draw a vertical line straight down the middle so that that acts as a mirror line, so that each side of the mirror line is equal. Now part B, one of the letters on the badge has more than one line of symmetry. Copy this letter in the space below and draw all its lines of symmetry. So we can see from here that S doesn't have any line of symmetry, neither vertical or horizontal. E has only a horizontal line of symmetry. T has one vertical line of symmetry. Now H has both a horizontal and a vertical line of symmetry. So because H has a vertical and a horizontal line of symmetry, we draw the letter H, we draw in a horizontal line of symmetry, so it's a horizontal mirror line, and then also we draw in a vertical line of symmetry. So we've drawn the two lines of symmetry for the letter H. Now part C says write down a letter that has rotational symmetry of order 2. So we're going to look at the 4 letters. Now I'm going to look at the S first. Now an order rotational symmetry order 2 means that when you rotate it round onto itself, it will rotate onto itself twice in a turn of through a turn of 360 degrees. So I'm going to look at the letter S. I've made a little red dot in the top left hand corner so I can see how many times I've rotated it, and I'm going to rotate that round. Now I can rotate that round once and it looks like an S again, and twice back to the top it looks like an S. So that has an order of rotational symmetry of order 2. Write that on there, that's got an order of 2. Now the letter E, if I rotate that round, I can see it doesn't rotate round back onto itself until we get right back up to the top, and that E, so the E has a rotation of order symmetry of 1. The T similarly has an order of rotational symmetry. You rotate it round the upside down 180 degrees back, so once in 360 degrees. If I can get it back straight again, there we go. So T has an order of rotational symmetry of 1, and the letter H, if I rotate that round once 380 degrees, it's back into its original H and back up again to the top there. So that has a rotational symmetry of order 2. Now if we look carefully at the letter S, I think it looks a little bit narrower at the top than it does at the bottom. So actually I'm going to play safe, and I'm going to say that the letter that has a rotational symmetry of order 2 is an H. But I also think that S is okay as well, but if you look carefully it depends if that is exactly the same width at the top and at the bottom. If you'd say that it was narrower at the top than at the bottom, then that would have an order of rotational symmetry of 1. So we're going to go for H that has an order of rotational symmetry of 2.